Hey there, everyone. Great to see you back here. Today, I've got something that I just couldn't keep to myself. This is one of those products you have to know about. Let's jump in because this one's truly impressive. First up, the design. This thing just oozes cool vibes. It's got that perfect blend of modern minimalism and a touch of retro futurism, making it stand out in any setting. Whether you're into bold colors and patterns or prefer a sleek minimalist look, this product has got you covered. The use of 3D elements and realistic textures really brings it to life, making it not just a product but a piece of art. And get this, the price. I was expecting a hefty tag for something like this, but it's super affordable. I couldn't believe how budget-friendly it is without skimping on quality. You're getting an incredible value for the cost, which doesn't happen often these days. It's designed with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials that make you feel good about your purchase. It's also insanely versatile. Whether it's for your work